And there was a very big program of course. So during the Christmas holidays, as a BhimFest, and as a BhimFest, Stone Boy in the program, the concert or no December the mono. I was a crabbe program. It was solid. Now that program no, Anna Mc Yaa Yeboah, Vida Adutwumwaa, any Bulldog abechiro madwen ewo ho. Me man chiri mu no chiri wadwen ma me ewo comment section. I hype na block media. Me say any dey mu. Obe like video no other ma put subscribe button, sample click notification icon no latest updates na ba chiri wadwen dey ma me ewo comment section so ba so. No actually for onya biacho. And there was a program, a concert. I say it was organized by Bhim Nation or Bhim Nation, the Bhim Empire. Almost and organized that concert. I say you're tweeting the BhimFest. As a afibia na ota eye. Now that BhimFest no say na program na say because so na say na attack baby ba because be kai kwana labiano. Nso akwa bi o claim say we Shatta Wale fan. Because can kwasi asem ese se okutua sika kohwe apache show a onimu nyansa fiscal ndidi uni do ya fabule ni we can say prekesen what I say that's na nipa we na wish senka still my program no ebe floppy na nka omu enya no asere no but enemies no be god program no eba so ema eye krabehwe program the do here be they even one call a hodum corner out the whole TV so no nya be here media and say yeah the program was lit. It was a sold out program as na bibia eye camera everything was on point any ade Saturday twam ye no ana Mc Yaa Yeboah anybody Adutwumwaa actually madwen ho na ho no obubo Stone Boy abaso for such a program to organize here
center Empress is standing out for me this year at a Bhim festival and see, I'm a person me show me in car make us a Bhim festival. And it's not a festival you attend; it's a festival you experience, because you share some of the videos, eba and crowdfund. You could clearly see that it was value for money. And personally, me hobby now for the first time in my life. I feel na Matia say the entire na crowdfund be to me concert here say or me collapse. And I me. Before me who to say Michael Jackson mu show P Square mu show near me who say Nkrofokolas na me ntia but this time around right than my dancing na baby ane e wo no Empress me say na me ti wo de kosi ato crash be she like na menya ko say cause omo de cold will be to me like the excitement the artistry the craftsmanship it was legacy in real time na efe na ya dia eso ani Empress Pacho the American not say and a big shout out to especially the PR machinery behind this year Bhim Festival no if we count down they went down even to the fashion sense of the artists and to follow episodes of Vida in nature almost chronicle the journey a free time as Stonebwoy Shas here the man ne be Bhim Festival concert man ne Daniko Bhim Festival ni na everything was chronicled and a big shout out to Vida why here juma pa me see me own massage we re fee enti ye be di hu juma I think say Bhim Festival for me it was the festival of the year na come and for me you know big shout outs to all the artists. BYK medical so concert you know a solid pa. I didn't see a lot of because let me know a lot of performances video but the turnout you know it was amazing and the stage because BYK concert you know who say Oma outdoor pitch covers you know nti me kwa initially me hu na because medical na ebia because ono na ni show ni etia no enti me say medical na odi ni sika akoto pitch covers na ababeya na until we realized that it was a private partnership between NSA and then private company bia omode aba enti a big shout out to BYK I think he did so well and the turnout was amazing artists phone na oma yade oma boy juma enti ye besre aban say I think say the creative art industry has proven without reasonable doubt say we are worth the shot. Your budget no afi 2026 I am be able to say because I can promise you say the creative art industry will give them that return because you see I know December in Ghana no it's not just about music anymore it's about culture it's about experience it's about the Ghanaian pride. Into your best abai say this time around we have proven say creative art industry we are worth the money and the effort. Empress Makasevi.
Boo. I read no who don't know. Evada, open who to
Adia me pen na me pe.
Adia wo pen me pe. Yeah, I see.
Me dem me ho to ho so
masa. Me mba so ya. Me wura tra.
Adia me pen na me pe. And na me nim na ye hihye wo den ma ye di ba be pipie.
It's not confident.
Dom ebepu ebehye yen. Empress Abosho last Wednesday. Ya Bosho papa. She ahinche ne pie free mu no. And ye dia chede ne be hwie gu ho momafo. Hits after hits after hits after hits. Na Casper Stadium. Ai, ye free ona anopa 8 a.m.
Sir?
Empress. Amount for person be me come traw. Amount for person be coffee. Classic world class entertainment in your demo no free show aye ken Stonebwoy fans e wo GD say wo some to ticket e invest in craft anymore and that is the reason why I bring bia no you to the actually it's when you brand you can doubt
okay
it is some me tia gia trema na me say yes me tia because your crappy big quality and until now we desperately want the world to see what we have it's a be pray they know the person a man mind e pu be share Bhim Stonebwoy say wunnie and until na bia pray ho so bia me had the pie no
it's now expectation for you know
me who say VIP ni VVIP na is sold out no na I'm say ebe fabro so and I year pen 2023 it's this time na 10th anniversary na year sha hofa no we needed something unique something splendid ebe tro man for na obi nka say me ba be 2023 into ehia say me sa babium and throughout from team ni nyina bibia hye bibia
together
minchia na media ma yabosho say we share me out Vida yabosho papa
Ay, Vida.
I want it too much.
Hey.
I want to enra 27. How much 27? And a Stonebwoy friend me. I say Vida. Me nyano no madawase. Sir. wo de akoso nyina no this is obia sabi oye okakrawa e de support ne crafter ono so eso nani nti no empress ye be ko ni say ya na 2026 e ba be simu die ye bo every stadium possible e wo Ghana ha say na ye be sha ase every ho match ya Stone Boy birthday match ya sha ase every ho ye be bo every stadium possible na ye de achede no ya to agoma for so for ha ye say achede no ye de ma no anya ho adwuma kra na bubu ho akonta ye fa hyede mo ye pie ama obi ehunu say ye waadze oyi ti Stone Boy we bia obia no ye tu chema no e show na meme enti ma nko show bie ma me okay Empress makapacho kam slogan ma yabosho
and I know that during the program no na Bhim fans no almost chanted something I don't just say no free show. No free show, meaning say they were throwing shot at Shatta Wale. Because Obekaya, Shatta organized free show, a dog bunker so hard no more. They say, the beer bob money at the Emana because of that. Only trust to boy and poor. Shatta let my Philly Stadium. They say, oh no, the Superman Ghana had any other day. It's Abra Stumble program said successful. No, the Stumble program it was a paid show. It wasn't a free show, it was a paid show. It don't much change here. Stumble is why idea because for sure. So compare Shatta there and Stumble there now. Because Stumble they go Stumble it was a paid show. Shatta the free, it's a free now. A free I need to go if you know your require now, then near Hano, or better after I'm going to CB. It's a dumb ba. But Stumble then it was paid. It's nippon or buy or buff for purpose. Or in Solenga seminar you feel better know what there be. Because Obobi Tueska any free. Then over said yes, Stumble yeah, didn't know they were chanting no free show. Now that no Anna, artist manager, Bulldog. I can't seem be a farm.
And on the Obia any strategy or the age, what I say, there's nothing free on earth, nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing. So I think the act rivals in Ghana, in Ghana, very top act rivals, Stone Boy, any Shatta Wale. So I'm sure they say, Bhim fans can say no free show. They want to refer to Shatta Wale say, oh, yeah, free show.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what they want to do.
No,
and yes, I mean, America, that's what it is. That's what they are. But this is what they don't understand. But you see, Obia one strategy or this car.
Okay.
If you follow the trajectory of Shatta Wale, and I'm not supposed to be saying this, and I'm not here to say but I think that they need to gather themselves and say it out well.
Maybe I'll turn it to you.
You see, Shatta is a brand that wants to give himself out for free.
Okay.
What you say? Now, in doing that, you receive money elsewhere. So you have to say, Abia, special ice, per se, or purely like 4, 5, 6 million crowd. About a place to come and experience what special ice is. They will go for Shatta Wale because someone say, "Obetumia adintofonaba." Okay. As a political party, be person or ABB. And now ope dom power. They will go for Shatta Wale. It does not mean say Stone Boy soon to mean yes how, but Stone Boy soon is cut from a different cloth. Okay. I think say moving forward, if we all your friends say segment the thing in that way, we appreciate all of us. What did they make an answer? Yes. But if we start, because and especially I don't have a problem because I've been around fans for like years. I don't mind. Look, I can tell you honestly, 50% of the people that will go for a Shatta Wale concert will be the same 50% that will go for a Bhim concert. They are not different people. Oh yes, if you don't know, I'm telling you. Maybe you sit at the top. Me, I've sat at the top. I've been everywhere. I can tell you that I know all the Bhim fans Yeah, and I know them like so. I know the Shatta Wale. I know because I meet them. I know them. This is a game we've played for a very long time. But you need that competition to make this thing move forward. What I said. So I'm saying, let them do the jamomu. But about more multi office or more ye good. More championing then more championing different. And it's both for the Bhim people and Shatta people because there's nothing wrong. Look, I don't know if my memory will serve me right, but they cannot sit here and say the money that they invested in the concert on Penyah's has coming back. Because the quality of a Juma a bad thing, so Penyah's has come back. And I can say this with every vein in my body because I'm an event organizer myself. I know what goes into events. So you want to spend a lot to please patrons. Into the Penyah we train any significant and even if you lost, it's an experience you were creating because that same experience will buy you money somewhere else. What did they make an say? So sa kasa because this is an ecosystem hope say so baby nti me pa omucho no na me pese me pa omucho because juma anybody that will take because look they were ready a day before the concert. How can you do this? I mean it's unprecedented. So you cannot finish all these things and come and be playing minimal. You cannot. For me it's unacceptable. What I say, people will chant, they will say, they will speak momunka. But when you come, when you come and you are doing your stuff. Me inti says Stoneboy, say I know can say Stoneboy cancer. But me inti says Stoneboy cancer. Okay, says Stoneboy so cancer, me panicho or cancer. Okay. Say no free show. No, so boom me pacho. Me can't be here. Can't be here. Boom. Thank you. That's all cancer man cancer. Stoneboy or Shemia, and I'm sure it's one share later. Amazing gentleman. Me can say, me see, since me knew how I started Ghana music. Me knew. But why you Jumachen Ubia from Osibisa to whoever? Yes, let me show you. See, what is Osibisa? The Jackson 5 Ayenum. That the number one of feature outside. Kojuenchi. What is all the Bob Marley.
Zibo Brothers.
What is Kojuentry or the Maxi Priest Ayenuma or Ninaba? What is Amachi Dededi? What will be that? No, yes, but that's what I'm saying. You see, listen, what am I saying? You cannot even compare talent to start with. Okay. You can't even compare. Romeo. And I said Romeo. No, good. But I'm saying the work. I said, you call Jim. See, you call Jim, the mefano. I don't know me. Stoneboy, he's overworking.
Oh, you two
also. Stoneboy is overworking. Stoneboy has overworked. And you go down in history as one of the people that purposely championed Ghana.
It's true.
Into me panicho. He's human. They'll say some things. Sometimes they'll be online. One share here now. What can be now? I say a Juma why ye. Into me panicho. So can Sadia. Oh, be excitement because we can forgive him. But I'm saying say a Juma wabo. And a Juma on Jane. So Obekoni grieve no on Jai because I've seen him before today. And I mean who the one in so it's a Sarkodie. When I saw what Sarkodie wanted to do way back, so we've been here for a very long time. And we've been, tell me which aspect of the entertainment space I've not been. I've been everywhere. What I say. So I understand the psyche of the the artist. Why a Juma nice? Oh yeah. Look.
Chira wa dwe mame e wo comment section. I Penyah Media. Akra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!